Hi, my name is Quinn Peters from Entrepreneur Marketing TT, and today we're going to show you what Pro Team Cleaning Services and Property Management has to offer to you today. Steam carpet cleaning, pet odor removal, tile and grout cleaning, sofa upholstery, and so much more. They go the extra mile for their clients to ensure that your security isn't compromised. Now you may be wondering how they manage to do that. One, before they hire any employee, they do a thorough background check, a thorough screening. Also, they work with constant supervision, and that not only ensures that your security risks are completely eliminated, but it also ensures that a thorough job is done. Pro Team Cleaning Services is committed to providing excellent quality cleaning services by exceeding your customers' needs and expectations.